Good morning guys, welcome to my channel, Man and Motors. Today I've got a Range Rover Sports 2015 L494 I believe. So I've got a rear airbag on the near side. It's dropped, it's leaking, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. So I've taken the wheel off, 22 socket to the wheels off. The airbag sits right here, so it's not that bad. So first of all, we need to take the air pipe. This is deflated. Sometimes if you want to take it off and deflate it, you have to be careful. So you go, I think there's an 11mm pipe. When you take that off, be careful you don't snap it. And then it's just hooked on underneath. No screws underneath. It's over there. And then there's a safety clip which is here. It's very difficult to see. Let me see if I get my torch and show. So as you can see, there's a there right there, there's a like a clip I'm gonna pull off. I'll show it to you what tools I use to take that off. And that's it, and it just comes off. It's maybe a WD-40. So here 12mm open ended spanner. Do it. Bring it up now. Here we go. I'm gonna take the old one off as well. I'll show you how that's done. We don't use the old one. That's free. Now we're gonna get to the top. I use either these two and hook it top. Maybe take this off. Trim tool, take this, took off the wheel arch, get a bit of room in there. That's it. That's a bit better. This is what comes off. I'll show you when I take it out. Once that's done, I just have to lever. That's it. See the lever bar. And we're wrapped. So as you can see, that's the top of it. And this hooks on like that. So it just basically hooks it over, and then just grabs the bottom. Wow. Here's a new one. So it comes with the, we don't take that off, we just take this off, and we take the old union and the nut off and just push it in. We'll take this clip off like that, and you just push through to push fit. So we never take that off in the new one. So now we need to get this in, just a bit of lube on that, and get it in the hole and clip it in. So it's nice to put it in. So let's get it in somehow. Like so. It. That's a safety pin. Now I try to slide the safety pin in. So not got much room, so just have to play around with it. screwdriver. That's it. So we are in. Try and zoom in. See that safety pin right there. There it is. So that's in now. So you just have to line it up, tap it with a screwdriver, flat blade. You get that in. So the bottom's in as well. So now we're gonna take that old union off and just push it in there. Show you this came with the new airbag, so if you need, tells you exactly what to do if you need this. So you should never take out the new one that's attached to the new airbag. And it's exactly what you have to do. So it's quite good instructions. Okay. I just start the car up and it was on obviously lock mode. See, so just take it off and it will start raising. Just get it all level. Sometimes you have to drive it to get it level, but this one obviously is leveling up itself. It's going to come out of the car. See, now it's just gone up to this height. It's going to go on a full height level. Normal height level. So it's going back up here. There you go. That's all set now. Just make sure there's no leak. It's a new airbag. Seems all good. That's it. It's not bad to do. You can do it yourself. Just need to get the right tools, and that's it really. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. Share, leave comments. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.